Now we're going to talk about the percentage of taxpayers that are actually using some form of tax planning. And this may shock you. 27%, right? It was noted that 27% of taxpayers use their tax returns to make annual financial decisions. So only 27% of Americans are participating in some form of tax planning, which is pretty sad, especially because most Americans, I think it was around 50%, actually use a tax preparer to prepare their tax return, which means that they're going to a professional. Now, when you go to a professional, you're entrusting that that person is going to maximize your refund or maximize your credits and deductions, right? And that may or may not be the case. It literally depends on who you're going to, which is why I position myself in the market as a tax strategist, which means I am advocating for each and every one of my clients. And I advocate for my clients by educating myself, right? Equipping myself, and then elevating my clients to the next level in their savings and in their deductions that they can be claiming on their tax return. Yes, Angelica, that is very, very low, right?